Hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of the extra Sudokus, in additional of Friday, March the 12th, 2021. And today is not Friday actually, it's Monday the 15th, but there is no additional in today's newspaper on Friday, on Monday the 15th of March. So I decided to solve the Friday edition of March the 12th, and this Sudoku will be number 2, 4, 7, 6. All right, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. All right, we have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. All right. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. All right. And then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. All right. Double 1 here, an O, there, an O. All right. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow, one of the quickest binary puzzle this was. Yes, this is. Alright, I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 1 star. See you later. Bye bye for now.